Hey guys, this is Arvind and I'm making this video from Goa and you are watching my YouTube channel On The Roads. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to work on my bike here. I have a small throttle cable problem, so I'm just going to open up my bike again and try to understand and fix the throttle cable problem here. So like I told you, my problem was the throttle wasn't powerful enough. So the cable you see here is the throttle cable that goes all the way down there and comes out here. You see this here? So this is where it is connected to, and as you can see, the screw is definitely not in place. So every time you put your hands on the throttle and give it a go, there is a contraction that happens here. Yeah, this is the one. So I think that the cable seems to be really fine, but definitely dirty. So a bit of cleaning and putting these screws back in place would do the job for me, I think. So let's do this. I think I got a fix for this problem, and now I'm going to go for a small ride. So catch you guys